Hey you guys. All right, so on this video, I'm going to be talking all about charging high ticket prices. Okay, so I just got off a call. Somebody asked me about charging high ticket. Okay, and the most important thing that I want you guys to know about charging high ticket prices is a lot of you guys need to first change your relationship with money. Okay, we have been conditioned ever since we were young, all the way up until we were teenagers, all the way until we are adults. We all have been conditioned to feel a certain way about money. Like, I know my mom, she liked to hold on to every dime, every penny, baby, you know. But it took me a while. When I first became an entrepreneur, I was the same way. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on things, you know. But I noticed that when I started to spend my money in the right places, of course, I noticed I would start making a little bit more money. A lot of us, we're conditioned to hold on to every dime, every penny, and be cheap, right? But you can't attract a high ticket customer if you are a cheap person. Okay, if you lowball, you're gonna attract the same type of person that you are. The same lowballing person, you know, that's the type of person that you are most likely gonna attract. That's the type of customer that will be attracted to you. Okay, I hope I'm making some sense. It doesn't really, it doesn't make sense for me to want to charge a high ticket price, and I would be willing to pay a high ticket price. You see how that don't match? It just doesn't match. It doesn't flow. You know, let's do it vice versa. I have a friend who, ever since I've known her, she's been into everything high ticket. Okay, from expensive cars, expensive clothes, expensive jewelry. She's a high ticket woman. Okay, I didn't expect that when she started her business, she would be the low ticket person. You know, I wasn't expecting that at all. You know, off the rip, she started selling her prices high ticket because that's who she is. It's within her to be high ticket. She is not afraid to spend money. So when she started her business, she was a high ticket off top. There was no free or special, nothing. It was high ticket. Okay, because now she's at a point where she has to support that high ticket lifestyle. But you understand where I'm coming from? Are you struggling with marketing and advertising for your cleaning company? If so, guess what? I just created a free ebook. Yes, a free ebook on 99 ways that you can market and advertise your cleaning company. Okay, I highly suggest that you guys click the link down below and tap into our free ebook. Okay, you can't beat free, you guys. I took my time out. This is my first ebook that I've ever created. Okay, so bear with me. I'm not Shakespeare, but one thing that I do like about this ebook is this is the type of book that I would read. Okay, because a lot of entrepreneurs don't have a lot of time, okay? So I took my time to put together a easy read book that you can go through 99 different tips for advertising and marketing your cleaning company, okay? Right here, click the link down below. Get it. It's free. Why not get it? It is free. Tap in. Let me know how you like it. Bye-bye. It's just a mindset shift that some people need to take, man. Some of the things that you could do to start changing your relationship with money right now, I could tell you, is start doing little things. I started doing stuff like paying people when I go out to eat. I'll pay the waitress $100, tip her $100. You know, off top, just here you go. It changes that feeling that you get when she's like, "Oh my God, thank you so much." No problem. You did an excellent job. I appreciate you, man, because I mean, we need more people like you to serve the way you do. Okay, I'm tired of getting crappy ass service. Thank you. Here you go. You know, and that feeling that conversation back and forth, and just seeing that person just so excited, so happy, like so thankful, so grateful, it makes you want to do it again. But you got to afford to be able to do it again, right? Try getting the hotel at the Ritz Carlton Hotel. Go get a 5-star luxury hotel and just see how it feels to be in that hotel. See how it feels to I remember when I first did valet service, okay? I was like, I'm not paying them people. I'm not paying them people nothing. And then I say, you know what? Let me get out of my little cheap head. Let me get out of my way. I'm just go ahead and pay for it so I can feel fancy for the night. Girl, listen. It was the best experience in the world because everything was so convenient. You know, if I didn't pay for it, we would have had to walk a long way with them damn, well, not with the bags, but to go get the car. And it was cold outside too. So it was very convenient and I like it. I'm going to do it again and again and again and again. You understand? Try flying first class. Just do it one time. You're not going to want to go back to flying regular once you've tried first class, okay? So that's just doing little things to change your relationship with money. I'm not saying go and buy a Balenciaga dress for $4,000 and all you make is $4,000 a month. I'm not saying be crazy, okay? All I'm saying is try little things just to make you a little bit more comfortable with the relationship of money, because money is just a tool at the end of the day. I'm tired of seeing people get emotional about money. Your lights turned off, you boo-boo snot crying in front of the kids. Don't let the kids see you in a mess like that. You know, just because the lights is $200-$300, $400, $500, okay, it's just a tool. You'll get that money. My lights got turned off before, okay? And you know what I did? My kids ain't even knew the lights was off. I told them it was a power outage and we was telling ghost stories with a flashlight all night. It was the best experience in the world for them. Okay, they ain't even knew the damn lights was off, all right? But I knew back then that I had to keep my vibrations up. I had to keep hope alive. I wasn't about to be crying and snotting and boo-boo crying inside of the house and let the whole family see me down. All right? Because I got to be strong. You know what I mean? And I know that money is just a tool at the end of the day. I'll get it back. We'll get it back. We'll get it back. You know, so when you start to change your relationship with money, you start getting a little bit relaxed with spending money and stop holding on to every little single dollar. I remember I listened to Robert Kiyosaki. He was talking about how money gets bored. And how, I think he said something like poor people save money, rich people invest money. And he said, you know, money being stuck inside of a bank account, like you saving it for the whole year, it really didn't make you anything. If I took $2,000, I put it in my bank account and I saved it for the whole year, that $2,000 didn't make me anything, right? If I took that $2,000 and I say invested it into a course. Yoo-hoo, it's me again. Hey, I'm sorry I interrupted your video, but I just wanted to tell you about our free masterclass, okay? Because if you're looking at my videos, then you have to be interested in the cleaning industry, okay? So I put together a free masterclass just for you, okay? If you're interested in getting into this cleaning industry and building generational wealth for your family like I did, like I'm still doing, okay? I'm bringing you guys in on my journey on this masterclass. I am dropping some gems. I highly recommend that you guys tap into it, okay? So what are you waiting for? Why are you still here? Click the link down below. Get that free masterclass today, all right? I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye. Or I invested it into a let me see, one of those soda machines, you know, a snack machine, you know. That investment would start making me money, not only for the years, but from years to come. You know, so I'll make money off of that $2,000 investment. Okay, it's going to make me money. You got to learn how to make your money make money for you. Okay, you have to learn. Once you learn this trade, you will learn how to create different streams of income, because you know that working one job, getting paid twice a month ain't gonna do it. You got to think about how many times you swipe your card. You swipe your card damn near every damn day, don't you? That means you spend money every day. If you spend money every day, you cannot afford to get paid 2 times a month. Come on. Y'all got to wake up. It don't match. It don't match to spend your money every day and only get paid twice. That don't match. So when I started to wake up and I started to say, you know what, let me change my relationship with money. Let me stop getting so. Last year, I made some investments last year. I made some good investments. I made some bad ones, but I had to change my relationship with money and stop being so afraid to spend money. All right. Stop being afraid to spend money. If you, I know I made bad investments, but I didn't cry about the bad investments because I know that money is just a tool. I lost a couple thousand, bad decisions. But I said, I ain't gonna cry. I just look at it as it's an L that I took. I learned the lesson. It won't happen again. Let's move on. I'm gonna make some more money. Let's go. But I had to change my relationship with money and realize that I need to invest my money into the right places. Invest your money into something that's going to make you some money back. Even if you invest your money in a course and you learn the information, and the information is going to make you $100,000 next year, come on, that was a good investment. Education is one of the best investments that you could possibly make. Another thing I want to say is money loves speed, y'all. Money loves speed. Okay, you got to stop procrastinating and being so, no, I think about it. The more you think about it and keep rocking and all that shit, you're going to be here tomorrow and next year still thinking about it. You're going to still be thinking. Still going to be thinking. All right. But money loves speed. Think about when you at the club, right? When you're at the club, you got a long ass line of people in the cold, and then you got the short line called VIP. Guess what? People pay more to get in the VIP so they can do what? Skip the damn long ass line. People love speed. I want to skip the line. I ain't got time for this. Skip the line. I pay more. Here you go. I'm paying. I'm always going to do VIP, baby. I'm not standing in that long line, especially in the cold. I'm not standing in it. VIP me, please. All day. I'm going to spend more money. All day. Okay? Because money loves speed. You got to learn how to be fast. Whenever those clients are calling you, they off your website or whatever, you got to learn how to call them back. Within 30 minutes, 45 minutes, call them back. Money loves speed. If you don't hurry up and call them people back, guess what? They on to the next customer. Come on. Money loves speed. Come on. Some of y'all thinking too damn slow. That's why you ain't got no money. You thinking too slow. Let me think about it. Holding on to every dollar, every penny. Change your relationship with money, y'all. Okay, it worked for me. I started to make some changes in my world, and I saw a huge change in my bank account once I started to get a little loose and just be like, you know what? Let me invest to make me some more money. All right? Now, you can't invest and not do no work either. I'm going to say that too. All right? But just, like I said, hear me out. Start doing some high value stuff, you guys, to change your relationship a little bit, man. Start doing some little stuff that's high value, and let me know how it feels, man. Leave some comments down below and let me know about your experience in the high value life, how you feel, man. And let's make some money. Let's make some money this year. Money loves speed. Stop being so scary. I'm about to close out this video. I don't want to talk y'all to death, man. But y'all understand what I'm saying. I'm Miss Johnson. I'm out of here. Peace.